Today I'm going to be showing off a little bit of the Web-Stor product. I'm going to be showing an integration between Sage 100 and a WooCommerce e-commerce site that we've set up. This is a demo system. We're in Sage. We're on a demo system here. So the first thing you'll notice is that we have a Web-Store module and we have a console that runs in the background that synchronizes all the information. This is a true Sage 100 solution. It lives and breathes Sage 100, and our product is totally built around that. So let's go check out our website, right? Uh, we have some snacks here. This is just a basic WooCommerce install. I got some snacks. We're going to go build an order on the website, and then we're going to go into Sage, and we'll take a look at the order. So I'm thinking some garlic olives. Maybe we'll do some Kalamata. My favorite. I'm just going to add a couple items here so when we bring the order in, we can see all the details are correct. All right, so we got a couple items here. Looks like we've got one of each. Kalamata, garlic stuffed, yellow aged. Now this is all happening. This is still on your e-commerce platform, right? This is all in Woo. It's not until you check out and you complete your checkout that it's going to flow into Sage. So here we go. We got Calvin Morrison, billing details. It looks like we're sending it to the office. So that all looks good here. Let's just remember our total's 5283. So when we bring it in, we can confirm. We're going to do cash on delivery. We'll see that will come into Sage, in this case, as no deposit. But we also support other common payment methods for Sage, Paya or Nuvi, and FortisPay as well. So let's check out and see what happens. All right. So if I come down here, I can see order 253 came in, and it's 5283. And if I go into our back end of the website, we should see here it is, 253. Looks like it came in just a couple seconds ago. All right. And that's it, right? That's it. So let's go into Sage. Let's see what's happening. Our sync is real time. It's bi-directional, so it can send data in and out. So let's go see if it's here. Oh yeah, it's already here. Good. That's the real-time nature of it. And we can take a look at how this is set up. Once you bring stuff in and out of Sage, it works like manual entry, basically. In this case, we're set up to go to a kind of standard customer, but we have clients who bring every order into their own AR customer. So however you want to set it up is fine. Maybe it's a new customer, they're new to the website, and we can create them a new AR customer on the fly. So it's very configurable. We can adjust it to your business needs. And we'll just click through this. We can see shipping's correct, the billing is address is correct. We go over the lines, and look, it looks like we got one of each: olive garlic, olive Kalamata, and the cheese cheddar for the subtotal 5283. And yep, that looks correct to me. And if we click through, we can see like in this case we didn't pay anything, so we don't have any deposit. So pretty cool. Yeah, so that's like an order, for example, but it goes both ways. We can also update information back out to Sage, right? And so kind of conceptually, the way this works is, you're going through your day and maybe there's I don't know, you got a good price on cheese going forward. It was $25 and now it's only $15.99. Oh, not $51.99. That would be bad. Um, and you can set fields in here, and then as soon as you click accept, the website's going to get updated. We can do those standard fields from Sage, weight, standard price, SKU, those sorts of things. We can also handle UDFs. So if you want a UDF for like the title of the product on the website, which right now looks like it's aged yellow cheddar. And if we go take a look at our snack, we can see aged yellow cheddar. It's $25.99. If we go back here, maybe we're going to say it's well, I don't know, aged white cheddar. Seems good to me. We've got a new thing in, and we click accept. As soon as we accept, it gets pushed out to the web. And if you keep an eye on the background here, there's sort of more details going on in the console. You can see it's pushed that cheese ched out. Um, and if we refresh our snacks page and we go on down, it's now just like that, real time. Now it's an aged white cheddar. The price has been updated. So how does this all work? Well, we've got a plugin, a module that lives in Sage. It's handling data in and out of Sage. And where does it go? It goes out to our SaaS platform, and it's a way that you can interact with the integration and check on things, see what's going on, make adjustments to the settings. Just looking here, we can see we did a couple cheddar cheese. We got some orders that came in. Joe also alluded to monitoring, right? Hey, are my connections online? Have you seen them lately? What are they up to? That's really important because we like to approach this from a sort of hands-free approach. There's no point of an integration if you have to constantly check it. Instead, it's proactive. So if you run into trouble, maybe a customer placed an order and they didn't put the right zip code in, or you didn't have your salesperson set up in Sage correctly, any sort of data issue, you can get alerted. You can get alerted, maybe your Sage connector's offline, the internet at the office is down. Whatever it is, you can kind of subscribe to alerts, you can do texts, you can do emails, and you get something in that looks like this. Hey, your connection's offline. We also get these emails. Our team receives all of the alerts. So oftentimes before our clients get in and take a look at the issue, we're able to rectify it. This notification approach is very nice. It's hands-free and it allows you to gain insight when things don't go right. Maybe the product didn't exist in Sage or someone forgot to set it up on the web, some sort of issue. We get an alert, we see an error message, this product could not be found. Please set it up in Sage before you import it. Things like that. Um, so it's an interactive platform. We have notifications or options. You can set up your different connections you have in there. And it keeps track. Hey, are they running? Are they on? Are they off? That way, if you run into issues, we get notified, you get notified, and we can rectify problems. Joe also kind of alluded to timelines for projects. I want to do a little brag here. I think our last client, we got their site up in 2 weeks. For a normal retail site, we can get you done quickly, no problem. Some of those more complex integrations, a couple months to turn it around is really good for us. We can support kind of normal retail flows or maybe a complex B2B site. Maybe you're having some sort of complex integration. Maybe you're not even integrating to e-commerce. Maybe you're sending it to some other system. Our tool is very flexible. We can support lots of different endpoints. So I just wanted to give everyone a kind of brief overview. If you have questions, I think my information will be available at the end because we're always here to offer advice and help people through their journey.